This is Devin Croswell with Sherpa Design, and we're going to take a quick look at a new capability in NX Assemblies for NX 2506. This capability has to do with the ability to make changes or open in its own window a component that is fully suppressed in an assembly. And so I have here an assembly open. It's my toy backhoe assembly, and the backhoe component itself is suppressed. Let's say it's been giving me some issues when I have it fully loaded in my assembly, and I'm trying to figure that out. So I can have this assembly open with a component suppressed, and I can right click on it, and this is this new capability in NX 2506 where I can open these components even if they're suppressed in their own window. And when I do that, I jump into its modeling environment and I can see the features on the part navigator. If I go back to the assembly that it's in, you'll notice that it's still not loaded or unsuppressed. And so I can work on components while having an assembly open that aren't affecting my assembly. So the changes that I'm making to this part, I can wait till I'm done with everything and then unsuppress that and load it fully in my assembly and see if it's working. If I go to my part navigator, there's some blends down here. If I make those active, they fail. Let's say that's the problem I'm running into. Something's going on there. So I get rid of those features, and then I can go back to my assembly, back to the assembly navigator, still suppressed, made changes to that specific component in its own window, and I'll go ahead and unsuppress that component. Now it looks like, let's say it's working now. I've got my assembly. I can go save everything, but we're just taking a look at the brand new capability of being able to open those suppressed components in their own windows while still having that assembly open.